Are you struggling finding a way to make consistent money with trading? If you're like most traders, you're probably looking for a strategy that can help you maximize your profits while minimizing your risk. And let's be real, this is something that can be very frustrating. But guess what? I've discovered a trading strategy that might just do that. This strategy has a high potential, helping you make consistent and high profits with less risk. I have tested this strategy on multiple assets like the USD Japanese yen and on the prices of XRP and Amazon. While I won't claim a perfect win ratio of 100% because that is simply impossible, what I can say is that this strategy is the most accurate I have ever used in my trading career, and you won't want to miss out on trying it for yourself. In this video, you'll receive a step-by-step guide on the indicators needed to create this highly profitable strategy. We'll then proceed with configuring these indicators on your trading chart. Following that, we'll delve into a comprehensive understanding of the buy and sell signals. Afterward, we'll outline the specific conditions and guidelines for executing successful long trades. So, get ready because we're going to really get into this amazing strategy. But before we dive in, a quick note. This video isn't sponsored by LuxAlgo. Haven't heard of LuxAlgo yet? It's an all-in-one indicator with over 20 features designed to give traders useful signals and overlays. It's fully packed with tools for technical analysis. LuxAlgo is the top provider of technical indicators globally, trusted by over 50,000 traders. With the ultimate membership, you get advanced signals and overlays, estimates of institutional volume, and over 20 other premium features. These include highly rated indicators developed from community feedback, access to a Discord community with scanners and bots, real-time alerts, non-repainting signals, and much more. These indicators work on any market on TradingView such as stocks, crypto, forex, futures, and commodities, and on all time frames. They're versatile, fitting any trading style like scalping, swing trading, or investing, and are great for uncovering technical insights. If you're serious about elevating your trading skills and building a career in this field, LuxAlgo offers 3 plans. The Essential plan includes the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. The Premium plan adds the Signals and Overlays Toolkit with built-in AI, plus the Oscillator Matrix Indicator and the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. I personally chose the Ultimate plan, which combines all 3 toolkits and 3 backtesting system strategy scripts. Alright, let's jump right in without delay. Today I'm going to show you a strategy about trend trading. If you're new to this, it's really simple. You just go along with the market's general direction. This means you buy when most people are buying and sell when they're selling. To learn all about this strategy, let's open TradingView first, and let's start with a clean chart. This strategy works on several markets and time frames, and it can be used from 1 minute to 4 hours, or even the daily chart. But as an example for this video, we will use the XRP USDT chart on the 5 minutes time frame. The strategy includes one indicator only. In order to add it, click on the Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Premium. It is the most popular premium tool created by LuxAlgo. It has more than 23k likes, which tells us that it's quite legit, so click that to your chart. Now let's open the settings of the LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays indicator and adjust its settings. First, let's take a look at the basic settings. For the presets and filters, we want to use None. For the signal mode, we want to use Confirmation and Exits. And we want to use the AI Signal Classifier, so make sure this option is enabled. For this strategy, we want to use the Autopilot Sensitivity, so this value right here is not important. Next, for coloring the candles, we'll use Confirmation Simple. For this strategy, it's important to use the Trend Catcher Indicator Overlay. To do this, make sure you turn on the trend catcher by checking this box. Here we are able to adjust how quickly the indicator overlay responds. The higher the number you set, the longer it will track the trend. For our strategy, we're going to set the reactivity number to 3. Within the advanced settings, we want to make sure the autopilot sensitivity is set to long term. And for the AI classifier, we want to delete the numbers 1 and 2. And as we're setting up these powerful tools, remember that using my link in the description not only gives you access to the full capabilities of LuxAlgo, but also supports my channel. Plus, you'll get up to a 20% discount on these premium indicators. It's a win-win for both of us. Now, before we get into the trading rules, let's understand how this indicator and signals work. And let's start with this buy and sell signals. The normal buy and sell signals are these up and down triangles without a plus sign, and the strong signals are these up and down signals with a plus sign. These strong signals are matching the current market trend, showing it's a good time to follow the trend. The normal signals might show up during short-term market changes. As we want to be on the safe side, we are going to use only the strong buy and sell signals, which include the plus sign in it. And as we have enabled the AI classifier, a lot of those signals are going to disappear, which means we get only the highest probability signals printed on our chart. For our strategy, we are going to use the candle coloring as well. The green candles represent strong bullish activity, and the red candles represent strong bearish activity. The purple-colored candles show us a normal activity, so for our strategy, we are going to use only the green and red candles to enter the trades. The trend catcher is a trend-following algorithm that aims to estimate the underlying trend in the price. When the indicator indicates an uptrend, its color will be green, while red in the case of a downtrend. This helps you make better decisions on when to enter a trade. Now onto the fun stuff. Let's delve into the trading rules to understand how we can use this strategy profitably, and let's first start with the rules to enter a long trade. For a long entry signal to be valid, there must be 4 conditions met. First, we need to see the trend catcher being colored in green. Second, the indicator needs to print a strong buy signal, which is this green triangle up with the number 3 or 4 in it. Third, the candle must be colored in green. And finally, the buy signal must be located above the trend catcher line. If all the conditions match, we can start a long trade. We place our stop loss at the recent swing low. And for the take profit, we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Let me show you another example for a valid long entry signal. So let's check 3 easy steps. Green colored trend catcher, buy signal with a 3 or 4 in it. Green colored candle, buy signal above the trend catcher line. Stop loss at the recent swing low, and we are going to close our position as soon as we reach a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Here's an example of a bad signal for a long trade. All conditions are met, everything looks good for a long trade. But if we look at the candlestick, it's much bigger than usual, as it's almost a 5% move in one candle only. This could be a sign of a stop-loss hunt, which is not a good time to enter a trade, so we just want to skip this entry signal and wait for another one. Let me show you another example for an invalid long entry signal. Here we can see a buy signal with a 3 in it, but the candle is not colored in green, also the trend catcher line is colored in red, and the candle is not above the trend catcher line, so we do not want to enter a trade at this point. You need to make sure to follow all 4 entry rules to be on the safe side. Remember, a great strategy needs great tools. LuxAlgo premium indicators are a game changer. Using my link in the description gets you up to a 20% discount. Now let's talk about the rules for entering a short trade. For a short entry signal to be valid, there must be 4 conditions met. First, we need to see the trend catcher line being colored in red. Second, the indicator needs to print a strong sell signal, which is this red triangle down with a value of 3 or 4. Third, the candle must be colored in red. And fourth, the candle needs to be below the trend catcher line. If everything lines up, we can go for a short trade. We'll place our stop loss at the recent swing high. Just like with long trades, we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio for our take profit. Let me show you another example for a valid short entry signal. So let's check 4 easy steps. Red colored trend catcher, strong AI sell signal, red colored candle, and the candle being positioned below the trend catcher line. And we are going to close our trade as soon as we reach a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Let me show you an example for an invalid short entry signal. As we can see here, the trend catcher indicator is colored in red and we got a sell signal being printed, but it's not confirmed by a red candle. Instead, the candle is purple colored, so this entry signal is invalid. Let me give you another example of a signal that's not right for a short entry. Here you can see a sell signal, the candle is colored in red, and the trend catcher line is red colored, so 3 of the 4 entry conditions are met. But the candle is located above the trend catcher line, and for our strategy, we want to see the candle being positioned below the trend catcher line. This means we shouldn't start a short trade now. It's important to stick to all 4 entry rules to stay safe. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.